Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be replacing the battery and lights on my 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be changing out both the headlights, taillights, and the battery in my 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is a continuing project to turn this Jeep into a very capable off-roader. But the first thing I need to do is get the Jeep started. So it's not even a year old yet, and it's just completely dead, won't hold a charge for more than one start. So I'll just sit here and let that charge up for a while. Well, now it won't even start with a jump, so I'll just have to change out this battery out here. Since I've gone through 2 batteries in under 2 years, my brother wanted to test the charging system. He came out, he had a clamp meter so we could test the draw, and then he also brought a scan tool, and we just did like an overall check of the charging system on the Jeep. Everything checked out, seems to be performing as it should, so it's the batteries. Now, moving forward, I have new headlights that I need to put in here. These headlights I absolutely hate. They look terrible. And there are a couple of things I could do. I could use the restoration spray to clean it up and get it looking better. I could sand them down and re-clear them, but I've gone a completely different route, and I'm going with some brand new headlights, just because I want to have a different look for my Jeep. Now this set that I ordered online also came with the taillights, so I will be replacing both the headlights and the taillights. So the first thing I need to do is get these removed. And this is just a 7mm. And then that'll come out. Just need to shoot some WD-40 down here. There's a couple of fasteners that you need to lube up, and then this will just pry right off. That came off incredibly easy. Now I just got to take the lights out of this housing and get the new housing installed. I'll open up this box and take a look at the new lights. Oh yeah. These are gonna look awesome. I just need to do the same over here on the passenger side. Go. Alright, just need to unhook all of this. Take all the bulbs out of this because all of these bulbs go in the new light. Alright, and with the second one in, now I just got to do the taillights. Moving on to the taillights. These are actually going to be incredibly easy to do. There are 2 screws that hold each taillight bracket on. Remove this little bracket and then these will just pop out. There's just 2 screws that hold this little bracket on here. And then you can pull this taillight out. I got my new wheels. I actually won these at an auction. Got 5 wheels. Came with some hubcaps too. And there it is. Total price $8.51. I absolutely love auctions. So yeah, and that was for all 5 of these. So yep, $8.51. Came with these plastic chrome looking wheel covers that can go on over these. I think I will just run these as is because I think these look awful, but I'll find out when I actually get some tires mounted and put these on the Jeep. we can put the new taillight on. And then like the front ones, it actually has some extra wiring to light up the LEDs on it. I'm not going to wire those up right now. I'm going to make a separate video to show you how to wire up the LEDs on both the front and the rear. But as far as the taillight assembly itself, it is plug and play like the headlights. This actually came with all the bulbs in it. So just push that together like that. Pop that into place. And then put the bracket on and screw it in. So this is going to be real simple. Just switch these out on both sides. Alright, just got to do the same thing over here. There we go. Of course, the second one comes off easier. That looks so much better with these updated taillights. And like I said, I'll just need to finish wiring up the LED lights on the front and rear, and I'll make a separate video for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.